This is the order.
And we start with breaking news. 7 News reporter Marshall Zelinger working new information on the Aurora movie theater shooting.
Marshall, the judge ruling the University of Colorado can now release records that we've been requesting.
But that does not mean that we will get the records that we feel are public records. The judge tonight modifying his gag order, allowing the University of Colorado to release some public records as long as they don't violate other privacy laws in the state. This is part of the order, and I've highlighted some sections that pop out. The judge wrote this order does not serve as a blanket release of all information held by the University of Colorado regarding Holmes, or as to make public any information that is otherwise protected. Now, 7 News had previously requested a number of records back in July. These include the national grant awarded to James Holmes and any expense account related with that grant. Number 3 here, we requested his internet browsing history while he was logged on using his university login. And this other request deals with emails sent to or from any of his University of Colorado accounts dating back July 1st, 2011 to the present time. Now, I want to show you something else that was in the judge's order that kind of stood out here. The court has restricted the release of information for almost 4 months now from the University of Colorado, giving everyone involved adequate opportunity to prepare for the proper and authorized disclosure to the public. Well, 7 News has learned CU is not prepared. State open records laws allow the university 3 business days to respond to records requests. And CU believes those 3 days start today with this ruling. And in a statement released to 7 News, CU writes, quote, "It will analyze each of the requests to determine whether it requests records that state or federal law does not permit the university to release. Second, after ensuring that it is allowed to release a particular document, the university will produce documents to those who have requested them." One other note, the defense went to the judge yesterday saying that they were not allowed to see its client, James Holmes, in the Arapahoe County Jail just a day after we learned that he had hit his head against the wall on the floor, attempting suicide and needed medical help. The defense team was seeking sanctions against the prosecution, and in this document, the judge ordered that the defense, it's tough to read because it's his handwriting, that the defense counsel shall be given reasonable access at least once per day to the defendant, and there is no reference to possible sanctions against the Arapahoe County Jail or the Sheriff's Office. Reporting live, Marshall Zelinger, 7 News.